I actually work for a network services division of Powercor in particular. My job title here at this location is a design engineer. The design refers to the assembly or the construction of things like poles, wires, overhead cables, underground cables, transformers, substations, capacitors, regulators, items of plant that make the system work efficiently, and items that are basically required to provide electrical supply to customers.
So what do you do on a day-to-day basis?
It depends on what's requested of me. If a customer is requesting supply, I may receive a job brief, and from that brief I then need to either extract more information by going to the customer or the customer's consultants, then working out where the customer is going to be located within our network, what within our network needs to be modified or added to, referring to standards that apply either within the company or across the industry, and coming up with a determination of what can be done to meet the customer's requirements. The customer's requirements can be either the least cost technically acceptable, it can be a particular aesthetic requirement or a certain safety requirement. I come up with an option, I cost that option, I present that to the company's contract negotiators. They will then forward that to the client. If the client agrees, then I get feedback and I start the second phase, which is actually detailing, documenting, sourcing the various aspects of the job, writing the instructions and getting drawings prepared so that they can be given to a workforce to go out and build.
Here's an example of a project a design engineer might do.
This is a fairly basic job that comes in day to day. What we've got here is a client has indicated that they're going to remodel an intersection. We've got assets through the intersection at present, and they have asked us to move the assets out of the way so that the asset can be built. They've also asked us to provide supply for lighting and to do the lighting design for the client, and also make supply available for traffic signals.